Welcome back, viewers. You're watching Times Now. I'm Meenakshi Upreti. Our top focus is the students, the politics around them. In 4 days, 22 lakh students will be appearing for the NEET re-examination. And now NEET exam has gone into a full security lockdown. Trial runs, which we showed yesterday, are on to transport question papers, army helicopters under the protection of Air Force official. Center has gone really a step further. They had even banned Telegram messaging app. That is still a day after the NEET re-exam. And now we have some breaking news related to the same. So breaking news coming in at this point of time, viewers. As far as Telegram is concerned, they've moved the High Court against the central government's decision to temporarily ban the platform before the NEET exams. High Court has agreed to hear the matter urgently today. That's the big breaking news which is coming in. Now the plea has reached the High Court. Remember, there was yesterday a lot of politics which was happening over the same, and now we have this big breaking news which is coming in at this point of time. Far as the government's decision is concerned on Telegram, Telegram has already moved the court. They have moved Delhi High Court against the ban before the NEET retest. The plea is likely to be heard as early as today. Center, remember, had earlier blocked Telegram till June 22. They had cited, cheating and also concerns of misinformation. Bhavtosh, my colleague, joining us live on the broadcast. Bhavtosh, if I could come to you, take us through all the details. Telegram, I believe, moving the Delhi High Court. What do they say in their plea, and when are we expecting this decision, this rather plea, to be heard in the courts?
Well, the matter has been listed. It will be heard later today, and it came up at around 10:30. Now, what has happened is the center has decided to ban Telegram, which is an encrypted app, and the reason cited is that the question paper itself was leaked on Telegram. Now, this that was submitted when the accused custody was being taken. But Telegram founder Pavel Durov, in a series of tweets, have said that decision was arbitrary and completely misinformed. He has said that this would only lead to the users of Telegram, which are around 150 million in the country, to other social media platforms. And he has said that at no point of time Telegram was not the only platform on which this question paper has been leaked. But the center's argument, and also IIT director of Kanpur has said that there was also misinformation that was spread through Telegram. Now, not only Pavel Durov, but also several opposition leaders have questioned as to why only one specific social media platform has been banned. Why not other social media platforms like WhatsApp and Signal have been banned? Center has not yet specified why Telegram is the only platform, but they have said only on June 21st this platform will be banned, and after that the platform will again reappear on social media. Questions have been raised. Why specifically one platform has been banned? As far as with government authorities, they're willing to in fact go ahead and tell them everything as to why this question paper was there on 3rd of May, and also help them during the investigation. And it's expected that the matter will be heard at a later point of time. They have said that specifically targeting one social media platform would completely be infringement of their rights under Article 21 and Article 14.
Okay, so that obviously is the plea of Telegram. This is obviously a big development because there's a lot of politics also which is happening over the same. Bhavtosh, thank you for joining us with all these details. Bhavtosh giving us details. Far as Telegram is concerned, viewers, they've moved the Delhi High Court against the central government's decision. But what exactly is the central government's decision? Let's give you some background there. Now, the government decided that this app is going to remain blocked till 22nd of June. That is till the next day of exam for users across India. The government also asked the app to disable message editing feature until 30th of June, saying that it had been used to fabricate evidence of paper leaks. Center has taken the steps, and they said they have invoked 69A of the IT Act. So what's happening is that this entire matter has gone to court. Meanwhile, more breaking news which is coming in, viewers. Despite this particular ban, now we are getting reports that Telegram is reportedly accessible to many users. This is happening via the VPN services. So how effective this ban is, that question also obviously also remains. So there are two-pronged developments. One, obviously the matter going to High Court, and the second, Telegram still being available. Kritika joining us live on the broadcast. Kritika, is this information correct? There is obviously an official ban on Telegram for the time being, but despite of this temporary ban, is Telegram still available?
Well, absolutely, Meenakshi. The app is very well available and running as well for both Android as well as iOS users. What we can confirm is that yesterday Google did pull the app out from the Play Store platform. Which means that no new users can in fact download the Telegram application. But for any Android user or iOS user who have already installed this application, the whole day yesterday, both the messaging as well as editing features were available and running. By midnight, it wasn't available. The messaging services had stopped for a few users, but in that case also users have been able to use, we can also use VPNs as well as internal proxy settings of the Telegram application itself to have a workaround of the ban. So the app currently is fully functional as well with just minimum tweaking required, and that is now what is raising questions of the effectiveness of the ban. Remember, yesterday the founder had also stated that this ban is arbitrary and that it risks the 150 million users that India has of Telegram, and it unfairly in fact punishes the platform as well. What the founder had also stated was that the leagues have now just simply moved on to a different platform, and that this is no way in order to tackle the issue. A lot of students have also stated
the
that
testing agency which you're talking about, let's give our viewers a little more background or perspective into the same. Kritika, thank you for joining us. So what my colleague viewers was talking about, the argument from the testing agency, this is that it would not only help, it would not help prevent these leaks at all. The government though says it is going to help in targeting the cheating rackets. After all, the main objective of NTA this time is to ensure that organized exam fraud rackets are not in a position to hijack the exam once again. The questions though are being raised over the credibility of the process altogether, and that is something that the NTA and the government would be hoping to fix.
This is definitely a huge collapse in the trust that they have over the system and the conduction of the exams.
Every year this keep on happening. So last year also there was a thing that there was paper got leaked, but still they didn't do anything. They forwarded with the paper with the result. This year is also happening the same. I don't think people have a lot of trust in the institution.
I honestly don't think so that anybody trusts the government and anybody trusts the education minister, the department anymore, because if they had to conduct the examination, they would have done it properly the first time. And you can imagine so many students have suffered because of this.
It is not really the government which plays always a role in it, but I think the security must be more tight. And as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu also proposed that the 12th board's examination, the marks that you've gained from there, that should also be considered.
In fact, the entire controversy, the NEET row, the re-NEET obviously which is happening, all of this has taken a political turn ahead of the NEET re-examination. Leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi is going to lead a protest. This is going to happen in Rajasthan's Kota. The rally is named Chhatron Ki Goonj, and we have an update coming in. It is that at 2 p.m. is when Rahul is expected to reach, and he is going to lead this rally. It's going to be very interesting because obviously NEET has turned into a big political flashpoint. Telegram, as we know, has already approached the High Court that earlier said that this move itself is arbitrary, something which opposition also has been echoing. And now with the battle moving to the court, Rahul Gandhi leading a protest of the students altogether, obviously, it has become a massive political issue. The leader of opposition Rahul Gandhi is scheduled to lead the protest in Kota. This is going to happen at 2 p.m. Rally called Chhatron Ki Goonj, organized as a demonstration in support, as Congress calls it, of the students. So that's the latest news coming in. Rahul Gandhi upping the ante, planning a massive protest. Niyamika on the phone line. Niyamika, very quickly, if you could just give us an update as to when we are expecting Rahul Gandhi to reach for this protest, and also what is the Congress's allegation far as the re-NEET row is concerned? What does Rahul Gandhi hope to achieve by this protest?
Well, today evening there is going to be a mega rally in Kota. This is the beginning of a new campaign by the Congress party, which is basically going to focus upon the issues which are related to the students and the youth of this country, which also includes the paper leak and the recruitments, and unemployment issue. As for that reason, Rahul Gandhi is reaching Kota at around 7:30 p.m. in the evening, in which he is going to hold interaction with the students there, as Kota is being considered as the hub of the students and specifically the coaching institutions. and that is the only reason why many of the students have been invited to attend this particular mega rally in which Rahul Gandhi is going to address. We have seen that how the Congress party has been continuously targeting the central government policy, saying that it has completely failed to conduct NEET exam, and the way in which this paper leak has been.
You're right. It's going to be very interesting really to watch out for a political storm which is brewing over the re-NEET. Rahul Gandhi expected to lead this rally. Meanwhile, obviously the latest update coming in that Telegram has already approached the High Court. So there is a legal battle, political war of words, all of that brewing together. This is going to be one of our top focus story, viewers. We are slipping into a short commercial break. News and updates on the other side. Please don't go anywhere.